All right, we are now streaming live on YouTube. Good morning. Today is September 5th, 2024. Excuse me, 2025. I am Judge Case Johnson, and I'm the Magistrate Court Judge presiding over today's calendar.
Estamos transmitiendo en vivo en YouTube. Buenos días. Hoy es día 5 de septiembre del 2024, perdón, del 2025. Yo soy la jueza Case Johnson y soy la jueza del Tribunal de Primera Instancia que preside la lista de causas del día de hoy.
If you are having trouble hearing me, please let the deputy know, as there are a few things I need to go over with you prior to starting today's calendar. Please listen carefully, as it will better help you understand the nature and purpose of today's proceedings.
Si usted tiene dificultad para escucharme, por favor infórmeselo al alguacil, porque hay varias cosas que necesito repasar con usted antes de pasar la lista de causas del día de hoy. Por favor, escuche atentamente, porque esto le va a ayudar a entender mejor la naturaleza y el propósito de esta audiencia.
First, I am not here to try your case, take a plea, or have any legal discussions with you about the specifics of your case.
En primer lugar, yo no estoy acá para tener un juicio en su caso, para que responda ante las acusaciones o para tener discusiones legales con respecto a los hechos específicos de su caso.
The purpose of first appearance is to inform you of the charges against you, advise you of certain rights, set bonds for those offenses for which I'm authorized to set bond, to schedule a preliminary hearing, and to determine whether you require the assistance of an attorney.
El propósito de la audiencia inicial es informarles cuáles son los cargos que se le imputa, informarle de ciertos derechos, asignarle una fianza en aquellos delitos en los cuales estoy autorizada a asignarle una fianza, programarles la fecha de la audiencia preliminar y determinar si usted requiere la asistencia de un abogado.
You have the right to remain silent, so please do not attempt to tell me any specifics about your case or any legal defense that you may have. As I stated earlier, we are streaming live, and anything you say during this proceeding can and will be held against you in later proceedings.
Usted tiene el derecho de permanecer callado. Por favor, no trate de darme información con respecto a los hechos específicos de su caso o a cualquier defensa legal que usted piense que podría tener. Como le dije anteriormente, estamos transmitiendo en vivo y cualquier cosa que usted diga durante esta audiencia podría y sería utilizada en su contra en las audiencias posteriores.
During this and all other proceedings, you have the following rights: right to the presumption of innocence, right to indictment by a grand jury for felonies or by accusation for misdemeanors, to a speedy and public trial by jury, to compel the attendance of witnesses to testify on your own behalf, to see, hear, and question witnesses who are called to testify against you, to testify on your own behalf or offer evidence in your own defense, and to have an attorney represent you. And if you cannot afford an attorney, one may be appointed if you qualify.
Durante esta audiencia y todas las audiencias posteriores, usted tiene los siguientes derechos: el derecho a la presunción de inocencia, el derecho a la presentación de un documento inculpatorio por parte de un gran jurado, del gran jurado si se le acusa de delitos graves o de una acusación si se le acusa de delitos menores, el derecho a tener un juicio sin demora público ante un jurado, el derecho de exigir la presencia de testigos para que declaren a su favor, el derecho de ver, escuchar y contrainterrogar a todos los testigos que sean citados a testificar en su contra, el derecho de testificar y de presentar pruebas para ser utilizadas en su propia defensa y el derecho de tener un abogado para que los represente. Y si usted no tuviese los medios para contratar un abogado, uno le podría ser asignado si usted cumple con los requisitos.
Also, if you are not a U.S. citizen, some charges may adversely affect your immigration status, so you will need to consult with an attorney.
Además, si usted no es ciudadano estadounidense, algunos cargos podrían afectar su caso de forma negativa, o sea que usted, perdón, the interpreter need to correct that. Además, si usted no es ciudadano estadounidense, algunos cargos podrían afectar su estatus migratorio, o sea que usted debería de consultar con un abogado.
Now, some of you will be allowed to post what we call unrestricted bonds for your release from jail pending the prosecution of your case. These bonds may be posted in three ways: cash, commercial, or property bond.
Alguno de ustedes se le va a permitir pagar una fianza sin restricciones para permitirle salir de la cárcel, quedando el caso pendiente para ser procesado. Estas fianzas pueden ser pagadas de tres maneras diferentes: en efectivo, utilizando una compañía de fianza comercial o utilizando una propiedad.
If you post a cash bond, someone will deliver the full amount of the bond in cash, together with any mandated fees to the sheriff's office, who will hold it until after their final court date, at which time the cash will be returned to the person who posted it.
Si usted paga su fianza en efectivo, alguien tendría que llevar la cantidad total de la fianza en efectivo más las tarifas de ley a la oficina del alguacil, la cual se quedaría con este dinero hasta el final de su caso, y tan pronto su caso concluya, este dinero le sería reembolsado a la persona que lo pagó.
You can also have someone post, you may also use, if you do not have the full amount of the bond in cash, you could also use a commercial bonding company who will take up to 15% of the bond, and this fee will not be returned to you.
Si usted no tiene la cantidad total de la fianza en efectivo, usted podría utilizar una compañía de fianza comercial, la cual le cobraría hasta un 15% de la cantidad total de la fianza, pero esta tarifa no le sería reembolsada.
You may also have someone post a property bond so long as the net equity in that property at least 3 times the amount of the bond. For example, if I set a bond for $2,000, your property must have at least $6,000 in equity to qualify as a property bond.
Usted también podría pedirle a alguien que utilice una propiedad para pagar la fianza, siempre y cuando dicha propiedad tenga un capital neto que sea por lo menos 3 veces la cantidad total de la fianza. Por ejemplo, si yo le asigno una fianza de $2,000, la propiedad tendría que tener un capital neto de $6,000 para poder calificar.
Each of you will have as a condition of your bond that you are not to violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Cada uno de ustedes va a tener como la condición, una condición en su fianza, y es que usted no puede infringir las leyes mientras esté en libertad bajo fianza.
But some of you will have additional special conditions that prohibit you from contacting certain people or going to certain places. If you have a no contact provision on your bond, this means that you must stay away from and have no contact with the victim. You may not call, text, email, write a letter to, or contact through any social media platform. You can't do anything nice for that person, such as sending them flowers, a gift, or a nice song. As nice as this appears, it will be a violation of your bond.
Alguno de ustedes va a tener condiciones especiales adicionales en su fianza, a la cual le prohíben ponerse en contacto con ciertas personas o de que acudan a ciertos lugares. Si la orden de su fianza estipula no tener contacto, esto significa que usted tiene que mantenerse totalmente alejado y no tener contacto con la víctima. Usted no podrá llamar, enviar un mensaje de texto, un correo electrónico, escribir una carta o tener contacto utilizando las redes sociales. Usted ni siquiera podrá hacer algo amable por esa persona, como enviarle flores, un regalo o una canción, porque aunque esto aparente ser muy amable, esto constituye una violación de las condiciones de su fianza.
If I order you not to return to a particular location, that means that you cannot go back to that location for any reason. If the no return location is a shared residence, meaning you reside there along with the alleged victim, please let me know and I will authorize you to go back but only while accompanied by a sheriff to collect some of your personal belongings that are not in dispute, meaning there's no issue as to who owns that property.
Si yo le ordeno no regresar a un lugar en particular, esto significa que usted no va a poder regresar a ese lugar por ninguna razón. Si el lugar al cual usted no puede regresar es una residencia compartida, lo que significa que usted comparte ese lugar con la presunta víctima, por favor hágamelo saber y yo le voy a autorizar a que usted regrese, pero solamente acompañado por un alguacil, el cual le va a acompañar para retirar sus artículos personales que no estén bajo disputa, o sea, de que no haya ninguna discusión de a quién le pertenece.
You will need to make an appointment with the sheriff's office within 10 days of being released to pick up your personal belongings.
Y usted tendría que hacer una cita con la comisaría durante los primeros 10 días después de haber salido en libertad para retirar sus artículos personales.
Now, unfortunately, some percentage of you will come back into custody because you didn't take what I'm saying here seriously. You'll go back to your residence or you'll reconcile with the victim and it's all good until it's not. The moment the victim becomes upset, police will be called and you will be arrested and held without bond.
Ahora, desafortunadamente, un porcentaje de ustedes va a regresar bajo custodia porque ustedes no se han tomado lo que yo le he dicho en serio. En lugar de esto, usted regresa a la residencia, se reconcilia con la víctima y todo está muy bien hasta que ya no lo esté. En el momento que la víctima se moleste, llame a la policía y llame a la policía, usted sería arrestado nuevamente sin derecho a fianza.
Court takes these special conditions very seriously, so just follow the order until it is modified or your case is resolved.
Este tribunal toma estas condiciones muy en serio, o sea que solamente acátese a la orden hasta que la misma sea modificada o su caso haya sido solucionado.
If you do violate the bond order and the court considers your contact intimidating or harassing, you could receive additional felony charges, such as aggravated stalking or influencing a witness. These type charges carry a punishment of up to 20 years in prison and $20,000 in fines.
Si usted no cumple con las condiciones de su fianza, y este tribunal considera que su contacto fue intimidante o acosador, se le podría imponer cargos adicionales o se le podría imputar cargos adicionales como persecución ilícita con agravante o influenciar a un testigo. Y este tipo de cargos conllevan un castigo de hasta 20 años de prisión y de hasta $20,000 de multa.
Also, if your spouse, family member, or friend is the alleged victim in your case, he or she will not be able to post your bond, nor are you able to contact the victim while you're in jail.
Además, si su cónyuge, su pariente o amigo es la presunta víctima en este caso, a él o a ella no se le va a permitir pagar su fianza. Tampoco se le permitirá a usted ponerse en contacto con la presunta víctima mientras usted esté en la cárcel.
Also, if you are currently on active probation, this court is not authorized to set bond at this time. Whether a bond is appropriate in your case will be reconsidered after the probation officer has had the opportunity to review your charge.
Además, si actualmente usted está cumpliendo con con una condena de libertad condicional, a este tribunal no se le autoriza asignar una fianza en esos momentos. En ese caso, una audiencia para pedir fianza sería programada ante un juez del Tribunal Superior del Condado de Clay.
Now, the purpose of a preliminary hearing is to determine whether there is enough evidence or probable cause to keep you detained on your charges. If you bond out, your preliminary hearing is automatically waived because you are out of jail and no longer detained.
El propósito de la audiencia preliminar es determinar si hay suficientes pruebas o motivo fundado para continuar con usted detenido por los cargos imputados. Si usted paga su fianza y sale, su audiencia preliminar se cancela automáticamente porque ya usted no está en la cárcel y ya no se encuentra detenido.
Warning. It has come to our attention that inmate families have been contacted by individuals claiming to be an employee of the jail, offering a pretrial program and dismissal of all charges if a substantial fee is paid. Please note that this is a scam. No such program exists from the jail. A lot of families have been taken by this scam, so make sure you're not falling victim to this.
Aviso. Algunos de los familiares de los detenidos han sido contactados por personas haciéndose pasar como empleados de la cárcel y ofreciendo un programa de resolución previa al juicio y desestimar todos los cargos si se paga una suma sustancial. Por favor, sepa que esto es una estafa y que tal programa o un programa de esta índole no existe en la cárcel. Muchas familias han sido afectadas por esto. Sepa que esto es una estafa y no siga lo que le están pidiendo.
Finally, I'm about to read the oath to you. If you understand and swear to it, please respond by saying I do. Would everybody please raise their right hands?
Finalmente, estoy a punto de leerle el juramento. Si usted así lo entiende y así lo jura, por favor diga lo juro. Levanten todos su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm that the information you're about to give this court, as well as the information you provided on your application for court-appointed counsel, is true and correct? If so, please state I do.
¿Jura usted y afirma que la información que está a punto de dar ante este tribunal, así como también la información suministrada en su solicitud para un abogado de oficio, es correcta y verdadera? Si así es, dígalo juro.
All right,
I
I'm
do
gonna,
swear.
all righty, y'all can put your hands down.
Puede bajar su mano.
And so I'm gonna go ahead and handle first the interpreter case, Ms. Carillo.
Primero voy a lidiar con el caso de la intérprete, la señorita Carrillo.
You can step over here.
Please state your name.
Por favor, diga su nombre.
Geraldine Carrillo Ferreira.
Asti Geraldine Carrillo Ferreira.
Ms. Carillo, you're charged with 2 counts of battery, and I've set both of those bonds at $2,000 each for a total bond of $4,000.
Señorita Carrillo, a usted se le imputa 2 cargos de agresión física y yo le he asignado una fianza por cada cargo de $2,000 para un total de $4,000.
You may not have any contact with Jesus Aguilar and
Usted,
Yemi Riviera. Yemi
usted,
is Yeimy.
usted no puede tener ningún tipo de contacto con Jesús Aguilar y Yemi Rivera. Yemi se deletrea Y-E-M, perdón, Y-E-I-M-Y.
And you may not return to 330 Arrowhead Boulevard, apartment 50E in Jonesboro.
Y no puede regresar a la 330 Arrowhead Boulevard, apartamento 50E,
And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
en Jonesboro, y no puede infringir las leyes mientras esté en libertad bajo fianza.
Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for September the 30th at 8:30 a.m., but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Su audiencia preliminar ha sido programada para el 30 de septiembre a las 8:30 de la mañana, pero si usted paga su fianza y sale, no tiene que asistir.
I've also appointed an attorney to you.
También le he asignado un abogado.
You have any questions, ma'am?
¿Tiene usted alguna pregunta, señorita?
Quería saber que obviamente yo no agredí a 2 personas.
The interpreter cannot hear what Ms. Carillo is saying.
You have to speak up.
Tiene que
Speak
hablar,
loud.
tiene que hablar más alto, señora.
Que ahí dice que yo agredí a 2 personas y yo no agredí a 2 personas.
It says there that I assaulted 2 people, but I didn't assault anyone.
And so that's why I have appointed you counsel. You can discuss your case with your attorney.
Por eso le he asignado un abogado. Usted puede hablar de su caso con su abogado.
I have to go back what's in the warrant.
Yo solamente tengo que seguir lo que dice en la orden de arresto.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Buena suerte, señora.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Bermudez. Go have a great day.
You are very welcome, Your Honor. You as well.
All right. Thank
Have
you.
a good weekend.
Have a good weekend.
Thank
Attorney
you.
Calloway, because you put your defendant's name right there, I was able to pull it so you can be next.
Thank you, Judge.
Attorney Connor, if you would let me know who you're here for.
Yes, Your Honor, Martin Wimberly, and I'll put that in the chat as well.
Okay. Yes, please do.
Do you want Wimberly now, Judge?
All righty. If I can, I need Maurice Brown, deputy. We're going to handle the attorney cases first.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is that a male or?
Yes, the mail.
I think juvenile wanted to know if you can go ahead and handle that case. I think they having issues maybe.
Okay. All right, we'll do.
Was she in the dorm or she's in hospital?
It's
So
Martin
put her in there.
Wimberly. You need Martin Wimberly. Who else, Judge?
Okay, I gotta get you.
Yeah, who are the people? Judge, can you hear me?
I hear somebody saying something.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
You say you need Martin Wimberly and who else? The attorney
Maurice Brown.
Brown. Okay, 1 second.
Good.
Martin Wimberly, yeah, I need to need to look at that one. He has a lot of charges.
Maurice Brown.
Sorry. Did those guys leave? I didn't help you.
Huh?
It's so cool. They already left?
You guys?
Huh? If you're supervisor, you can show courtroom 302, Joe Mistake.
It's six. The card, I think Wednesday wants you at Charlie Fourth. Doesn't matter.
Green.
There goes Maurice Brown.
Get back your house. Okay, they gonna take it back.
Yeah, man, hey.
You think you cool the same?
What's up? I think she said Charlie.
Are you Mr. Maurice Brown?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your counsel is present on your behalf. And so, Ms. Holloway, your client, Mr. Brown, is charged with possession of marijuana over an ounce. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce, violation of Georgia Controlled Substance, and possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime. And
Yes, Judge.
so, you want to say anything on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge, we're asking the court to set a reasonable bond today. Mr. Brown has significant ties to this community. He's 26 years old and has lived in Georgia his entire life. He's gainfully employed at Republic National Distributing Company. He's been there for over a year now. He poses no significant danger to the community, and he's not at risk of committing a future felony as he has no criminal history whatsoever. This is his first arrest in life. There's no risk of intimidating any witnesses. The only witnesses in this case that we anticipate will be law enforcement. So considering those things, Your Honor, we would ask the court to set a bond not to exceed $6,000. That'd be $2,500 for both felonies and $1,000 for the misdemeanor, if the court will allow.
All right, let me go back and review his criminal history really quickly.
Sure. And he's Maurice Brown III. I know there were some issues. His father, they have the same name, but he has never been arrested before.
Shut up.
You know, I like to talk loud. My A through H and J through D.
They all in all. Yeah.
There, okay.
Marie, can you look for his criminal history and tell me where it is, please?
Mr. Brown?
Yes, Maurice Brown.
Okay.
Close that door, bro. He's not.
Don't see it.
He was one that was continued from yesterday. Do you have criminal history from yesterday? Or
I'm in it now. and I don't see it.
Okay.
It was a fourth, which was third. All right, I have it. Thank you. All right, you're correct. He has no criminal history at all. All right, so on the possession of marijuana less than an ounce, we're gonna set a UJR on that one, meaning that you don't have to pay anything on that one.
Thank you, Judge.
Because he has 3 charges.
Correct.
For the violation of Georgia controlled substance, that is for the possession of mushrooms. We're gonna do that one. 1,500. And then this possession of a firearm. Possession of a firearm. We'll do that one at 2,500.
Yes, Judge.
So that total is 234,000.
Thank you, Judge. Is the court preparing the bond order now?
Yes, I'm signing the warrant and giving the bond amount. Mr. Brown, you don't want to start out like this. It's rough. Life is hard when you start racking up criminal charges. So if there's something you need to address personally, you need to do that. Thankfully, I had a different number here for you. But I wish you luck. All right.
Thank you.
Good luck to you. Hold on.
You can go back. What you need next, young?
She's not ready. For all of them go forward, you gotta walk them up.
Oh, the elevator still on?
Yeah.
I thought it just told us it was working.
Moving forward working?
It just told us that. Yeah, they can go back. Cause I saw them, all the new people that were just getting put in, they made them.
All right, Ms. Calloway, have a good one.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Young, you need next?
Mr. Martin Wimberly.
Wimberly?
Right here, bro?
Right here.
All righty. Please state your name.
Martin Wimberly.
Martin Wimberly. Mr. Wimberly, Your attorney is here to represent you. Counsel, he is charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, another 2 counts of violation of Georgia Controlled Substances, actually a third violation of Georgia Controlled Substance, tenant window violation, possession of marijuana over an ounce, another VGCSA with the intent and possession of a weapon during the commission of a crime. All right, counsel, you can go ahead and proceed. Tell me what you want me to know about this case, about your client.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Wimberly is 39 years old. He's a lifelong resident of Atlanta, Georgia. He has no FTA history. He's a high school graduate from
You don't
Sandy
have any, what history?
FTA.
Oh, FTA, okay. Mhm.
He's a high school graduate. He attended Sandy Creek High School. He also attended Metro Atlanta and received some college credits. He's the co-owner of the Hair Kitchen LLC and the Right Direction Consulting LLC, both successful businesses, both registered with the Secretary of State. He has 6 minor children. He is solely responsible for those 6 minor children. He manages their daily affairs, including education, medical needs, meals, and transportation, and just overall general welfare. He also suffers from severe diabetes and chronic high blood pressure. Yesterday, from my understanding, while incarcerated, his blood pressure rose to the level of 350, which is, very high. And it
Is
posed
that even possible?
that's what that that's what I heard, and it kind of
Oh, for diabetes. Okay, yes, I'm sorry. Yes,
it
all right.
surprised me. So, he needs to receive adequate medical attention. His last arrest, from my understanding, was over 7 years ago. He has significant ties to the community, no violent history. Talking about the case, I know we're not going to get into the facts of the case, but I do want to know that the car that they were in is not registered to him. It was multiple people in that car, so there is some equal access and possession issues. That we're not here to argue about that today, but I believe they will raise a question later on. Your Honor, I'm asking for a reasonable bond not to exceed 25,000. His mother is very supportive, comes from a very supportive family. She wanted to log on today, however, she couldn't. But I wanted just to note that for the court that he comes from a very supportive family, and we're going to ask for a reasonable bond not to exceed 25,000 so he can get back to work and get back to his children.
All right. Reviewing his criminal history, he just got off probation. In 2016, he had 9 years probation for drugs, for
Marijuana, I believe.
intent. He was on house arrest and probation was 9 years. So that means he would have just gotten off probation unless they let him off earlier.
I believe it might have been early terminated. Again, I believe that was out of Fayette County.
Yes, it was out of Fayette County. And then before that, he had some other drug related offenses. All right, give me a moment. These are a lot of charges. Give me 1 minute. Let me see what I can do.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can I get a available deputy to $5 in the rifle post?
Russell? No. Sure. Give me one. What? What do you want? No. Go back there. Bro, this dude is so freaking loud. Mute this for a second.
I'm in the camera.
Turn the camera off.
Okay, all right. So, his total bond is 20,000. I UJR the window tint violation, but the total bond is $20,000. Do you need me to give you the breakdown of each one?
That would be helpful, Your Honor. Yes.
Yes, no worries. A warrant 08 is 2,500. That's the VGCSA. The firearm is 5,000. And so the next two intent charges, which is 610 and 611, they're both 2,000 each. Another VGCSA, which is warrant 12, another 2,000. The window tint is UJR. Possession of marijuana over an ounce, 2,000. Possession of marijuana with the intent, 2,000. And then the possession of a weapon during the crime is 3,000 for a total bond of 20,000.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Wimberly, you got a reason to stay out of trouble. He just gave me all of them.
Ma'am.
All right. Thanks, counsel.
Thank
Have a
you,
good
Your Honor.
day.
And that concludes my business for
And
today.
he doesn't need a court-appointed attorney, right?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. So I'm gonna, and so his preliminary hearing is October the 1st, but if you bond out, he doesn't have to worry about that.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Have a great one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Go back. Well,
Your Honor, who you want to see now, Your Honor?
And now you can start with the ladies.
I can pull out the baby, guys.
Because we still had the juvenile.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Go to the computer screen and everybody else sit on the bench. Dave, right? Okay, Mayberry. You can have a seat on the bench. And it is just go after. No, not yet. Adriana, David.
Go to the back of the line.
Go back in. Everybody scoot down. I'm sorry.
What's your name?
Charles.
Say what it is. What's the last name again?
After all the females.
What's your first name?
Quincilla, Quncilla. I thought she did.
All right, say your last name one more time.
Childs, C-H,
Childs.
yes, Childs, C-H,
Oh, child, okay.
yes, Childs.
I think that I.
Can you see me? Cause I'm short.
I did something with your case. Marie, is she one of the ones? I remember her name.
When
I
still,
did something with her charges.
No, not that I'm aware of.
Hold her back for just one moment. It's something I did with her. It's something. Give me a minute. I need to look into hers. All right, I'm gonna do the juvenile next. If we can get the camera turned on.
what's your name?
Can
What's
you
her?
let the juvenile state his name, please?
Oh, no, not you.
What's your name? Marshawn Brown.
All right, Mr. Brown, hold tight for me. It's- Mr. Brown, you just had some other charges already. You got pending charges. You got out in, so say that again.
I do, ma'am. I don't know my pending charges.
You have pending aggravated assault, entering an auto, theft by taking, and possession of a firearm. Um, the incident occurred, your arrest date was August 17th.
Yes, ma'am. That's the same reason I'm here. But I didn't have the aggravated assault. That's not my charge. That's my co-defendants.
They have it on your, they have it on your,
Yes, ma'am.
and then and this incident is 9/1. That incident was 8/17.
Your Honor.
Yes.
When all of that happened on August 17th, 2025, and 2 weeks later, they had told us that they just had signed the warrant for 2 weeks, but I was already in the hospital when I got discharged, because I got three gunshot wounds. They told my co-defendant and me that we never had the warrant until I got into the hospital. They don't have my co-defendant yet, man, Your Honor.
Hold on one moment. This warrant. Hold on.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hello, the judge is gonna be a couple of more minutes longer. Thank you for your patience.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this was a bit confusing. It looks like it was 2 aggravated assaults out there. I just need to make sure that you don't have 2 aggravated assaults. So
Your Honor,
yes,
may you please read me my pending charges?
yes. So you're charged with aggravated assault. The allegation is that you made an assault upon the person of Charlie Burnett with a silver and black pistol in which you use offensively against another person that likely to result in bodily injury. That's the warrant, but the allegation, the affidavit indicates that on August 17th, in reference to entering an auto, dispatch advised that suspects were 2 black males wearing primarily black, and they had run towards Julie Court and were inside a black Dodge Charger. Knowing this, the officer turned off his lights. He observed the Charger. He observed 2 black dark figures standing behind it, and they seemed to notice him. They ducked behind the vehicle. The officer pulled his patrol up to the vehicle and turned on his floodlights. The officer got out of the patrol victim and was able to see the top of one of the suspects' head above the Charger. The officer told the suspects to put their hands up, and they moved towards the left of the Charger. They moved towards the opposite side of the officer. As the officer got closer, one suspect ran towards the patrol vehicle, other attempt to run the opposite direction. Officer pursued the suspect, placed him under arrest immediately. The suspect identified himself as Jeremiah Tillman and provided his mother's name. The other suspect began to run towards the brush between Scott Trail and Bethsaida Road. The officer set up a perimeter. The suspect was in the wood line. The officers closed in on the suspect, and the suspect began running towards the officers, at which he was placed under arrest and identified himself as Marawn Brown. The victim indicated that he observed the 2 vehicles rummaging around the inside of his vehicle. He came out to tell them to stop. He fired a warning shot. They fired back around 4 different shots. 4 shots. The victim said he could hear the bullets flying past his head. All right, so that's the allegation. So basically, rummaging through the allegation is that you were rummaging through a vehicle. The owner came out with a gun. You guys, the victim called the police. The officer came. You guys spotted the officer and began to run. You were caught near the scene, and you guys shot at the victim. That's the allegation. So I'm going to go ahead and set your bond.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to set your bond at $15,000. Mr. Brown, this is not how you want to start. This is not how you want to start your life. How old are you?
15 years old, ma'am.
You are 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in school?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, so 15,000, and you are not to have possession of a weapon at all. And you must stay away from Charlie Barnett. That is the victim in this case. You cannot have any contact with Charlie Barnett. Again, your bond is set at 15,000. Just know, so this could have been something different. What if that man would have been shot and killed? One of them bullets would have hit him, and now you would have been in jail for murder, rest of your life potentially gone. I don't know I don't know where it's gonna stop with this gun violence among our youth. All right, sir. Good luck to you. Again, your bond is set at 15,000.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Are you ready for the next person, Judge?
All right. Can I get a Daisha Johnson and Camille Lewis?
Jason Johnson and Little Lewis, turn the camera on.
You can just start bringing the females.
Females are all here, Your Honor.
What's your name?
Deja Johnson.
Say that again.
Deja Johnson.
All right, Ms. Johnson, you are charged with driving on suspended license. That bond is set at 1,000. Hit and run 5,000. Improper lane change. I'm gonna UJR that one. And so your total bond is $6,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing is September the 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Question, Judge.
Uh-huh.
So if I already did my license, would
Say that again.
I already did my license, like, I
You already did your what?
renewed my license?
All right, so at the time you were stopped, the officer is alleging that it wasn't valid at the time.
Okay.
And it was for a failure to appear. I am going to appoint an attorney to you. All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
You can step right here in 5. How you doing? Huh?
All right, what's your name? I don't know if it's just, let me see if I need to turn this up. I cannot hear what you guys are saying. Say that one more time.
Camille Lewis, ma'am.
All righty, Miss Lewis. All right, you're charged with criminal trespass. How do you know Mr. Deontay Matthews?
She's my dad's girlfriend.
Huh?
She's
Say
my
that-
girlfriend.
It's your girlfriend?
My dad's girlfriend.
But this is a man. Oh, Deontay is a lady?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Deontay, okay. And you said this is your dad's girlfriend?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you obviously don't like her.
No. Ex-girlfriend.
All right, does she reside in the house with you? No. Oh, yes.
Was staying with us, but it's a they doing the thing. The little,
What now?
yeah, it's a lot going on in the house. But it's my dad's house.
So the allegation is that you put her clothes in the bathtub and poured bleach on them.
Oh, yeah, and it was only like 3 pairs of clothes, man. And
Right, that's illegal. I'm gonna stop you from talking, but you can't do that. Let me see if you have any history. Is it your first time being arrested?
ma'am.
You say yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And you said that, does she reside in the house right now?
No, she's supposed to be getting her stuff. In the process of,
She does stay there, but she's supposed to be moving out.
yeah, with the law, something like that. That was
Okay.
like
How old are you?
17.
Are you in school?
Yes, ma'am.
What school?
I got a Perry Academy.
All right. So do you have somebody that can bond you out?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put on here no violent or I'm not gonna take you out of the house, but I'm gonna do no violent or harassing contact with Deontay Matthews with the girlfriend, okay? If the police are called out again and you are arrested, you're gonna be held without bond. You can't have any violent contact with her, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
I need you to get to that finish line.
I am.
I need you to get to that finish line without issues. So are you on track to graduate?
Now check my record.
You know
Say
Spanish?
that again.
I said, yes, ma'am, you can check it.
Huh?
I'm
I am going to check it as a matter of fact.
I'm ahead,
She
actually.
said she had a question.
All right. So that means you don't need to be back there.
Oh, I don't.
But you can't put people clothes, allegedly put people clothes. And no matter how angry you get, you can't do things like that. I'm gonna release you today.
I understand,
I
ma'am.
don't suppose to, but I'm gonna go ahead and release you today. And I hope that you can go ahead and jump back in school and be productive and stay out of here. I don't want to see you again. All right.
So much.
I'm going to appoint an attorney to you as well.
Okay.
And I am going to check on your grades.
Yeah, check up on me too.
All righty. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Next person. It ain't no something to do.
When you go back, you can wash your hands. There ain't no soap here. What you want to do? You can't get that. That's not for you. It's
Hold
contraband.
on.
Okay then.
All right. What's your name?
Shamaya James, Orches. You can go sit on the screen.
James?
Ma'am.
All right, give me somebody else. Give me Deontay Matthews. That's the co-defendant.
How you doing?
Can I get Miss Matthews?
She's here, Judge.
Yeah, that's really.
All right, Miss Matthews. And so I see that you are co-defendants to Miss Lewis. And how do you know Miss Lewis?
I'm her
Say
dad,
that again.
ex girlfriend.
So do you reside in the house?
Yes, but yesterday I called them because I wanted to get my stuff to move out.
Who's thinking of it? All right. Let me figure it
I don't see any previous violent history, but these facts are pretty egregious. All right, so you're charged with aggravated battery. I'm setting your bond at $20,000. You cannot have any contact with Christopher Lewis. And that's Camille's father. That's Camille's father.
That's the brother.
That may be why she put your clothes in the tub. So the allegation is that you grabbed a metal instrument, a crowbar, maliciously struck Christopher Lewis multiple times, and he has lost the function of his left leg, and that you guys reside in the same residence.
Yeah,
So your bond is $20,000. I'm sorry.
They was fighting with my daughter.
They were what?
They was fighting with my daughter. That's
Yeah,
how.
it seems like you need to get out of there and get your daughter out of there. All right, and so you may not return to that location, 1717 Gardenwood, and that's considered Atlanta. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing for October the 1st at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm also going to appoint, let's make sure. Did you fill out a court-appointed sheet? Because I don't have one on you. I don't see it.
I did.
I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. All righty? You have any questions?
I was trying to think, can I still get my stuff out the house though? 'Cause it might still got belongings in
Say
the,
that again?
still have belongings in the house.
I can't, y'all just be talking. I know y'all be back there cutting up, and then when y'all come before the court, I can't, you whispering. Say that again?
Still have my things in the house,
Your baby's in the house?
stuff in the house. My
What?
stuff is in the house.
Your stuff is in the house. Right, so you can go back while accompanied by law enforcement to pick up your personal belongings, okay? You'll be able to go back and do that. All righty. Just let this go. I mean, as you guys are starting to hurt each other, you need to just walk away. All right? Good luck to you. All right, can I get Mayberry?
Good morning.
What's your name?
Ginger Mayberry.
All right, Ms. Mayberry, you're charged with simple battery. That bond is set at 2,000. Yes, simple battery 2,000, and another simple battery 1,000 for a total bond of $3,000. You must stay away from Nausea White, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 30th at 8:30 a.m. Are you employed, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I work at the airport.
You work where?
I work at Atlanta Airport.
Atlanta Airport, okay. Doesn't appear that you have any criminal history.
No, ma'am.
Gotta control your temper. Yes?
Nothing.
No, go ahead.
My temper was controlled. It's never, nothing never hit her. They just said that because she claimed that she was pregnant, but she ain't pregnant. And I got the proof that she ain't pregnant. And then when I called her last night, because I don't have nobody else to get me out, she told me over the phone that she just told them that to get me locked up.
Okay. All right. So I'll consider, because you don't have a criminal history, and the allegations.
And I can prove that she not pregnant because we both just had upper respiratory infection and we had to go to the hospital because the airport required it.
All right. So do you have family here?
Yes, ma'am. But my mom, I can't really get in touch with her like that.
All right. And so do you and Miss White, y'all reside together?
No, ma'am. I stay with my mom, but it's just like a complication type thing.
All right. So hit White in the face with a Jersey Mike bag. All right. I'm gonna let you out, but you can't have any contact with her. Y'all don't need to have any contact with each other at all.
Yes, ma'am.
If you come back here and it's involving her, you're not gonna get a bond, I promise.
Yes,
You're gonna sit back there. All right?
Man, I don't get in trouble.
No, you don't. I see. And the facts are not egregious. So I'm gonna let you out. All righty. And I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you for that simple battery charge. Good luck to you, ma'am. Go ahead and let her sign that waiver, please.
I'll bring it to you.
Who you want next, John?
All right. And can I get do we have Deborah Orcheson?
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Are you Miss Orcheson?
He passed me one of them.
All right, Miss Orcheson, you're charged with
They're down here at the end of things.
driving on suspended license and possession of a drug-related item. Miss Orson, do you need to participate in our drug court?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. All right, so I dismissed the driving on suspended license. And then on the possession of a drug-related item, I UJR'd you, meaning I'm gonna release you on that one. So go ahead and sign that waiver for me.
What does that mean? I can go home?
Yes, you'll be released today.
Okay, thank you,
We don't
ma'am.
want to see you back.
Okay, you won't. Thank you.
Okay, all righty.
What's your last name?
You know, you sound great.
Orches sent. Who you want up in there? I'll bring you.
All right, and now can I get,
Child.
so Ms. Orchard. Now, who do you have left?
What's your last name? We have James, we have Child, and then we have a fugitive.
Yep, do you have Allen? Thomas Allen? That's a male?
Thomas Allen on our list is not active.
He's not active?
No, not on our list.
On bond, though.
Oh, he UJR'd him, so he must have already gone. Okay.
Yes. What's his name?
All right. And so Adriana Davis, that's a that is a fugitive, so we do that one last.
Let me go, no.
And so who was the female you have left?
James, and then we have Child that you spoke with earlier. No.
So James.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, I had her as a female. And then what was the other one?
Child.
Childs. I know. I did something with Childs. All right, go ahead and give me James. All right, Ms. Childs, you're charged with criminal trespass, damage to property. That bond is set at $3,000. You must stay away from Kenya Williams, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. This incident happened at the Dollar Tree, so you can't have any contact with Ms. Williams.
I can't have contact with her, and that's my wife.
Can't have any contact with your wife.
That's bogus.
You have contact with her, police will call back out, and you're found to be having contact with her. You will be rearrested and held without bond. Your preliminary hearing is September 30th at 8:30 a.m., but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Are you employed, ma'am?
Oh.
Why not?
I do like Uber and DoorDash.
You do what now?
Uber and DoorDash. I was employed.
Oh, okay.
Car accident.
You was what?
Was employed, but I was into a bad car accident. I split open the top of my head, so I have to.
So you're doing door dashing and okay. All right. All righty. All right. So you have any questions, ma'am? Your bond is $3,000.
I don't have no questions.
All right. Good luck to you.
What's your last name? Ma'am.
Yeah. Hold on one second.
What's your last name? James. No, you step aside. Too long to make a name. You didn't need nothing from her? Okay.
All righty. Just hold Childs. I'm sorry. It's something I did. It's something going on with her case. I need to figure it out. Give me a minute. And so if you would start with the males, please.
Do you not want to see Davis, the fugitive? You want to wait for her?
Yeah, we do the I usually do the fugitives last. Hold her so I can do her and Charles at the end.
Okay.
I mean Childs.
Okay.
And so Marie, can you look for Child's warrant?
Okay.
Y'all move into 5-4 weeks and I'm leaving. That is. That hurt me. Yeah, move to 5. Huh? Going five right here. Yeah, you too. Jacquez, Mike. Jacquez, Malik. Come to the computer. Black, Arthur. Bitch, Cameron. Japanese. What?
All right, state your name.
Southwest Black.
And Mr. Black, you're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $5,000. You must stay away from Tanaja Hill. And so here's the thing, Mr. Even though this is just a criminal trespass, you had a no contact provision on your bond. You weren't even supposed to be around her.
Yeah, I wasn't.
So you see what happens when you do stuff you're not supposed to do? You weren't even, if you weren't around her, you wouldn't be in jail right now.
I know I wasn't. I had a warranty out when I was headed to the gym that you guys had set months before.
Well, this allegation is that you locked her out the house when y'all had an argument.
Yeah, it was an allegation.
And so I could hit you with another charge. Follow the order.
Oh no, man.
You're already out on bond for this same victim previously. It was just this year, March 13th, is when you were charged with another charge dealing with her.
Yes, ma'am. And she had lied and allegated me of being around her, and I wasn't. And so that's why they had she had
What now? Say that again.
I wasn't by her or on her property. I was trying to
You wasn't by her or her property?
Yes, I was pulled over or headed to the gym. And I had a warranty out that I didn't know about, and they alleged.
Right, but this is the warrant though.
Yeah, but I wasn't around her or by her. So I was trying to let you know, like the police never found me.
Oh, I think what you're saying is that this happened before.
I mean, I'm saying the police made an allegation that she made an allegation that I was around her, and then the police had pulled me over months later, letting me know I had a warranty out that I didn't know about.
Okay. All right. Stay away from Miss Hill. No contact at all. And I'm going to appoint an attorney to you. Again, your bond is $5,000. If you come back to jail and it's involving Miss Hill, you're not going to get a bond.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's up to you. If you want to take the chance to go be around her, and then she calls the police and something happens again, and then you locked up again. If you want to sell your soul to having a relationship with her, that's on you. Stay away from Miss Hill. I've appointed an attorney to you.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Wait, is her name Pearl? Yeah, everybody can go. Come on, girl. Come on, Nikki. Come on, Jake. Okay.
All right, Jesse Cameron.
No, ma'am.
What's your name?
Carson.
Carson. Oh.
Did they get
Well. No, big back basket. Big back. That's good. Right. What we gonna do?
Carson.
In relation to Carson Daly?
Oh my goodness. All right, so Mr. Carson, you are charged. Hold on. You are charged with 2 counts of theft by deception. I'm going to put your bond at $10,000 each for a total bond of $20,000. You may not have any contact with the victim in this case, which is Colin Howard. These allegations are horrible.
What did she say?
What?
All right, so your bond is $20,000 and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for October the 1st at 8:30 a.m. If these allegations are true, Mr. Carson, you should be ashamed of yourself.
They're not.
You're not?
They're not. The allegations are not true.
Okay. I know. And then are you employed?
Ma'am?
Are you employed?
No.
You said no, ma'am?
I'm a disabled veteran.
Say that again?
A veteran.
All right, I'm appointing an attorney to you. So your bond is $20,000. Your preliminary hearing is October the 1st, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about it. And I appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. All right, who's next?
Next. Now you ask me.
Right here.
Right here, in front of the computer.
What?
Oh, I know what about Charles. Okay.
What's your name, Charles?
What's your name?
My name in Demetrius County. My name easy as hell to spell. They say.
Nobody asked you, just respond to the question.
Your name is what now?
Huh?
Your name.
Demetrius County.
Hold on. All right, sir, I'm going to give you an attorney. You're charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $2,000. Your preliminary hearing is September 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Next.
Wait a minute, hold on. What was his name? Because I don't think I clearly got his name.
Marawn.
Well, because it's two. What's the first name?
Cameron Demetrius.
Cameron Demetrius.
You want hard dick.
Oh, see, I was giving him, I was looking at Jesse Cameron. Because he didn't say his name.
Yeah, Jesse out on bond, Judge.
Right, that's what I'm looking here now. So, okay, so Jesse is out to bond. So Who was that again? That couldn't be Cameron.
Demetrius Cameron.
Charged with public transit.
Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off.
Definitely not in my at my stack of warrants. All I have is Jesse. That's out with Vaughn.
Get off.
I have Childs, Johnson. All right, I'm gonna have to, let me print his warrant. I don't see his, I don't have anything on him, not a bond sheet, anything.
Under control.
And this one's for today or yesterday?
We're holding.
This is Cameron.
Today.
You ain't that
All right, and so would you look for that, unless it's just out of order?
Yeah, I'm looking now, Judge.
I don't see it at all, not for. All right, looking through all the warrants that were sent today, there's no warrant in there for him. I can look at yesterday's and see if it was in that stack. You looking as well?
Yes, ma'am.
It's not in yesterday's warrants.
I'm gonna have to order it from the classifications.
Okay, so we don't have his warrant. If you can put him, don't take him yet. We just need to get his warrants. You can bring the next person.
for Cameron Demetrius? He's been taken back. He was banned.
No, just hold him. We're gonna ask classification to send over the warrant.
He was taken back. He was taken back. He was being non-compliant over here.
Oh, okay, all right.
Who do you want to see next?
And that was Mr. Demetrius, all right? Did it appear? Okay, all right. Do you have Chavez, Hans? What's your name?
Jose Chavez.
Mr. Chavez, you are charged with public drunk.
Yeah.
All right, and so your bond is set at $1,000. You may not return to that hotel.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have to make room for them.
And that is What's the name of the hotel? The address is 701 Southside Commercial.
The mattress, something like that. I'm not 100% on
Okay,
that.
you can't go back to that location.
Okay, thank you.
All right, and I am going to appoint an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is September 30th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Nick. One side, is it open? It's locked.
What's your name?
Deontay,
Last name?
Como, Comauex.
His name was scratched off. Do you see a warrant on him? His name was scratched off the list. I don't know why. So I don't believe they sent over any warrants. You have to put him back. We got to secure the warrants.
Como, Comauex.
Yes, I see. And the first name is Keyann.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, he's scratched off, and I don't see where they sent any paperwork on him. We'll see if we can get it. Maria, are you on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All righty. Can I get Mr. Hans, Hantz, Hans, and then if I can get Robert Hughes. Are you Mr. Hans? All right, you're charged with theft by receiving stolen property. That bond is set at $2,000, no insurance $1,000, no license on person $500 for a total bond of $3,500. Your preliminary hearing is September the 30th at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. Oh, God, wait a minute. All right. So Mr. Hans. The officer put the theft by receiving as a misdemeanor. That should be a felony. His preliminary hearing is going to change to 10-1.
Preliminary hearings change to 10-1, okay? 10-1, October 1st. Yeah, scoot down.
All right. Are you Mr. Hughes? Yes. All right, Mr. Hughes, you're charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. That bond is set at 1,000. Use of possession of a drug-related item. That's 500. Sir, do you need to participate in our drug court?
No, ma'am.
No?
I'm not sure
You
yet.
said no?
I mean, I can, yeah, can. If I need to.
Big road.
I see many previous drug-related charges. I'm going to send it over. and see if they can help you, but your bond is set at 1,500, and I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Nick. Come on, you can go to the computer.
I don't give out the oaths.
Why you must be.
You plead the fifth.
You plead the fifth?
Yes, ma'am.
Harley, like the motorcycle.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what's your name?
James Harley.
All right, Mr. Harley. You're charged with forgery in the second degree.
I believe so. Yeah.
I'm sorry?
Believe so.
All right, for the forgery, I'm going to set your bond at 2,000. And for the concealing a vehicle 500, your total bond is $2,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing date is October the 1st at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Is that 10% of that?
For a bonding company, about 15%. All right.
Next person.
What's your name?
Raymond Hicks.
What is your name?
Raymond Hicks.
Hicks.
Alright. How many people got left? Alright. Still got a lot.
All right, send him back. I don't see stuff on him either. Let me get Zachary Lee and and Dara Owens. Zachary Lee.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Lee, you're charged with hit and run. That bond is set at 6,000. Reckless driving, 2,000 for a total bond of $8,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for for September the 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
I mean, you hear all of it. Mama son looking back. Yeah.
What's your name?
Maurice Johnson.
You Owens? Hold on, come back. Come back. Yeah, she has for Owens.
Yeah, give me Dara Owens,
Owens.
Quentin Taylor.
Who's Quentin Taylor? Quentin Taylor?
Altair. What's your name?
Daryl Owens.
All right, Mr. Owens, you are charged with aggravated assault by strangulation. That bond is denied. Your battery charge, I set a bond at 5,000. Reckless conduct, 5,000. Firearm discharge, 5,000. Aggravated assault, that bond is denied. Possession of a firearm during a weapon, that bond is denied. You must stay away from can have any contact with Sarah Garcia,
Quentin Taylor.
did you guys reside together?
No.
No, because, all right, and you can't go back to that location. Um,
Right here.
I'm trying to read this address.
She got a couple of more names.
I know that this is not a proper address. Uh, hold on.
That's gonna take another hour.
Okay, he got extra numbers in there. All right, so the address is actually 1828 Almach, Almach Fort. All right, so Mr. Owens, I know these are only allegations, but these are some egregious allegations. Don't spend the rest of your life in prison because you go out and want to harm her. She don't want you. Move on. Leave her alone. You're gonna be sitting in a jail cell later on because you killed her, which generally happens after situations like this, saying, why didn't you just walk away? Just leave her alone. All righty. So your bond is denied, though. I am appointing an attorney to you, and you'll be back in court on September the 29th. All right. And someone will come out and speak to you. Good luck to you, Mr. Owens.
7-6. Taylor, go ahead.
Judge, who you want out to Quentin Taylor?
What's your name?
Quentin Taylor.
What is it?
Quentin Taylor.
All right, Mr. Taylor. And next I'm going to do voir dire. You're charged with loitering, 1,000, giving false name, 1,000, obstruction, 1,000, simple battery, 1,500, battery, 1,500, for a total bond of $6,000.
I'll be around you right now.
Can I ask about my spot?
Huh?
Can I ask about my spot?
Yo, what?
My spot.
Stuff.
Not my spot.
Sir, who lives at that address?
And the one that I put, ma'am, that 55758.
This says 950 Lake Ridge Parkway.
Oh, now that was the girl who I was coming to see. I was under the influence and it didn't go right.
Definitely, I agree with you.
That didn't go right at all.
So your bond is 6,000. If you got to climb through a window, if she's not opening the door to let you in, she don't want you in.
Yeah, ma'am.
In Atlanta, it's 100 women to 1. Move on.
I should have just stayed at home.
You should have. And so, all right, so your preliminary hearing is October the 1st, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And again, I have appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Ma'am, thank you.
Who would you like after Voltaire?
All right, what's your name?
Dwayne Voltaire.
Mr. Voltaire, you are charged with giving inmates guns, specifically drugs or alcohol, and that you possess marijuana. I've set your preliminary hearing date for October the 1st at 8:30 a.m. And I'm appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
No bond, ma'am.
I'm sorry,
No bond.
it's 2,000.
All right.
All right, good luck, sir. And then can you give me, Sing for X Stong or, and Sparks? I should have been gave you Sparks. Pronounce your name?
Tongue Chai, Tongue Chai.
All right, Mr. Say that last name again.
Tongue Chai.
Give them, okay. All righty. And so, you are charged with, sexual exploitation. That bond is set at 35,000. You may not be in the presence of minors without an adult supervision. I've set your preliminary hearing date for, I'm gonna put it for October the 1st at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
So what is my bond fee?
35,000. All righty. Good luck to you, sir. All right. What's your name? What's your name?
Sparks.
Sparks, let me look at your
Yeah, sit down.
Sparks. Mrs. Sparks, you don't have any recent history.
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss your case. Good luck to you, sir. You'll be released today.
Next, Your Honor.
You need next year?
What about William Isaac, Montreal White,
Montreal Wright. There you go. Next.
Victorian?
Hey,
What's your name?
William Isaac, how you doing, Your Honor?
Good, how are you? And so, all right, Mr. William Isaac, you're charged with theft by deception.
Ma'am.
I set that bond at 3,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I have put you on the misdemeanor bond hearing, preliminary hearing, which is September the 30th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your bond again is 3,000.
Okay, thank you.
What's your name?
I'm under a what?
All right, Mr. White, you're charged with first-degree forgery. That bond is set at 3,000. Criminal trespass, 3,000. For a total bond of $6,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for October the 1st at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Okay, that's good. Do I
Hold
get?
on.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. I don't see your court-appointed sheet. How much do you earn, sir?
Uh,
A month?
I'm an investor, at the time that they locked me up. I was delivering default judgment to the place where I was putting in a civil suit. So I don't know, I really not.
Right.
I don't know why I got blocked.
I am going to appoint you an attorney. Your preliminary hearing is October the 1st, and your bond is at, 6,000. Good luck to you, sir.
All right. Can't have a bitch slaughter.
All right, what's your, name?
Link the train.
All righty, your first name is Malik. All right, you are charged with aggravated assault. That bond is denied. Kidnapping, 15,000. Criminal trespass, 8,000. Can't have any contact with Carla Hawkins, once you are, or when you are released. These two are some egregious facts. I don't understand. Egregious allegations, my apologies.
It's honestly just hard. I can't read this people.
And if Ms. Hawkins, if these allegations are true,
What's the allegations? If I can ask.
she,
Well, I can't ask right now. I'm sorry. I forgot. I'm sorry.
all right. Aggravated assault again denied. Kidnapping, 15,000. Criminal trespass, 8,000. I don't understand the violence, sir. If you need help, you need to go get some help. You're gonna spend the rest of your life in prison.
There's nothing going on. We
Could
arguing.
have killed her. We would be having a different conversation today. Your preliminary hearing is October the 1st. I'm also appointing an attorney, since I have denied your bond.
Thank you.
Anything further, sir?
Um,
And Mr.
thing with-
Peterin, you can have any woman. You're a handsome young man. You can have any woman you want.
honest, I can't do that. I'm sorry.
Oh, I mean, I don't want you to plead your case. I'm just going by the allegations, and they are pretty.
Man,
Ms. Hawkins, if she should be very careful if these allegations are true. All righty. I'm done with you. Good luck to you, sir. And so let me get Marquise Johnson. All right, Mr. Johnson, you're charged possession of marijuana over an ounce. That bond is set at 3,000. Possession of a weapon during a crime, 5,000. Possession of marijuana over an ounce, 3,000. Your total bond is 11,000. So the rest is same. Actually, I'm gonna do. All right, your bond is $10,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing date is October the 1st at 8:30 a.m. And it does appear that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I have appointed one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Sit on the bench.
All right, can I have,
You send them back to go.
all right, let me get Mr. Mercer.
Get denied.
Yeah, I think that back.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
You were, okay.
What's your name?
Randy Mercer. It's good to see you.
Hold on, one second.
Lee.
Peterin.
They come.
Yeah.
They don't. Oh, we were coming. Wisconsin. Midwest. I'm saying like, he's supposed to add it. Henry, that's them do out. But they didn't come. They said come beat you today after first appearance. As soon as they get notified, they don't work. Yeah, where did you get play? Oh, they don't come.
Yeah, I think she got me a whole.
I mean, I don't like Barbara, huh? Yeah, it's constant. They be slapped. Slap. They slid for a misdemeanor to Chicago. Oh, yeah. My dad, they slid for a misdemeanor. How full of drive is that? It's a 2 hour 30 minutes. It's not bad. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Not bad. How long is the drive from Wisconsin here? Oh, that's fine. 12 hours. Yeah, that's crazy. Bro, they can drive 12 hours. Wow. They can't fly and deal, but they can't fly and deal. They fly, but man, they got dropped down here, you know.
All right, Mr. Mercer. On the theft by receiving stolen property, you set that bond at 6,000. Unlicensed driver, 500. Open container, 500 for a total bond of $7,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for October the 1st, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
All right, so let me get, is that Miss Charles? I mean, Childs?
Oh, Charles.
You want Mrs. Childs?
Yes.
Charles.
Y'all gentlemen, y'all step all step inside there.
Please.
Huh?
September 29th. Hello? I mean 30th. My God.
They take this just a female out here. They come right
All right, so Miss Childs, I just had some concerns about this warrant. The victim is your child?
He's my son, is 28 years old, ma'am, that went through a traumatic experience getting gunshot, and he moved back in about 3
You said a traumatic experience and what?
got shot over there off in the Bluff in Atlanta. He just moved back home like about 3 weeks ago, and he been terrorizing my home. I came home yesterday and I was planning to pay my bills from working. I take care of my disabled auntie that has cancer, throat cancer. I was getting ready to go to her house. My son came home and started terrorizing me, eating my grapes and talking.
Hold on. I don't see any recent history.
Ma'am?
It says committed the act of simple assault. Defender held the victim, her son, by his belt while the victim was asking her to let him go. You say he's 28 years old?
My son had my phone. He took my phone out of my hand, was trying to record me fussing at him for doing things in my house, breaking my stuff in my house. He has bipolar and paranoid schizophrenia and not on his medication. I told the police that yesterday. They called for a site evaluation. They also said that he decided not to go to the hospital grading. And they said when they talked to his social worker, she said he only missed one appointment. He told me he's gonna have his medication by now. He's been terrorizing us in my house. I was trying to go somewhere before this incident happened yesterday.
Yeah, so just even the allegations in the warrant about he was saying, get out of my house.
I was telling him to get out of my house because he had broke my pictures in my house.
Oh, okay. Was also screaming, get out of my house. Get his, and calling for someone in the background to get his phone. Get his phone?
Yeah, because he was trying to record me, trying to get my phone from him. Trying to record me, trying to get my phone from him. So somebody get his phone from him and get my phone from him.
So there's a third person here.
My daughter, she's 19. Ma'am, he just called and asked, can he come back home 3 weeks ago? And I then came back
As
home.
what?
He just called and asked, can he come back home 3 weeks ago? This Friday made 3 weeks. He do not live there. He's homeless. They explained to me that because I allowed him to come back, I have to do the correct eviction. But he has been terrorizing me for the past week in the house, not on his medication, saying someone took money from him. I don't know nothing about this situation, ma'am. I take care of my auntie that has cancer. I don't really be home. I work a lot. He's been terrorizing me and he kicked my dog. So it's just a lot maybe that I have to deal with him. And
He didn't kick the dog.
he kicked Jacob. So it's just a lot going on right now. That just
Buddy, he done kicked Jacob. So.
And they told me because he had the most bruises on him that I had to leave my house in handcuffs in front of my people, which was okay because I understood that was kind of bruised up more than myself. But ma'am, I have things going on. I let him came back at the wrong time. I'm trying to have me a brighter shower.
All right, so.
It's not me, it's him.
And I don't see anything like this in your history at all. No sort of violent convictions.
I take care of people. I don't.
All right, this is what I'm gonna do.
And I have bruises also.
Is he still in the house?
My daddy and his father said they're gonna get him to leave because I have a bridal shower. I'm getting married on Halloween, and my whole house have my.
No.
I know they put me again about the house. I haven't spoken to anyone since yesterday about 9 or 10. So I don't know if he. But his father said gonna come pick him up yesterday. By the time I was arrested, I don't know if he came or not because I don't know.
All right. Are you employed?
He's not employed. He's been over there on Martin Luther King.
No, I said, are you employed?
Self-employed. I do makeup and I do lashes. These lashes on my face right now.
All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna release you today, but you cannot have any violent or harassing contact with your son. If something happens, you just need to call the police. You don't need to get any tussles with him. Go ahead.
I called 3 times, ma'am. I called the police 3 times. The phone rang 3 times for a long time. I called, but the 4th time, it rang for a long time. That's when he started throwing my pictures off the wall. He threw my bubble.
It definitely sounds like you need to get him some help.
I can only do so much.
You're right. He's 28 years old. Well, you're gonna have to do some sort of have him removed from your house. You have to do a dispossessory action.
They explained it to me. Now, this is what went on with that. When I was trying to do that, I have an auntie have throat cancer. I take care of her. That's why I was heading to yesterday to clean up her house. She's on her last stages here with a feeding tube in her stomach and a trach in her neck. That's why.
Well, you got to figure it out. I'm gonna release you today, all right? And I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you.
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
So much.
All right, and then, Mr. Peterkin, Julian Peterkin.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Mr. Peterkin, you got so many charges.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Is this all yours? All right, so you're charged with stealing the idea of a motor vehicle 500, laying drag 1,500, fleeing 2,000, failure to obey traffic device 1,000, reckless driving 3,000, failure to obey another traffic device 1,000. Your total bond is $8,500. Y'all don't know how unsafe it is to be doing this.
Your Honor, I have one question.
Uh-huh.
The first charge you named?
Say that again.
The first charge you named?
Concealing the ID of a motor vehicle.
What that mean? Oh, covering, never mind.
Right. I can't be listening to Lil Woody with all this racing cars and
You said little.
all right. Your bond is set at $8,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date. Looks like all of these are charged with felony, fleeing and eluding. So your preliminary hearing is going to be October the 10th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that day. And I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day, Your Honor.
Say that again.
Thank you so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day, Your Honor.
You too. I don't want to see you again.
Oh, I promise.
You probably will. What's that?
And then
Well, you can take two. Take two. Oh, you did?
They already gave the trays out. You said you.
No, I said-
It's just
It's gonna go to the big complex elevator, the first set of elevator go up to 4. I said, you're gonna take these, let's see the housing unit says 40 on there, that's what you're assigned. I'll be there, I know about this.
all right. And so we don't have anybody left, right?
No, yes, we do, Your Honor. We have
Just the fugitive.
We have 5 people.
5 people left.
What? Okay, tell me who you have left.
Yeah.
I think those are the ones that we looking, that warrants, missing
Oh,
warrants.
the warrants.
Yes.
All right, give me that list of names. Go ahead and tell me who you have left.
The fugitive.
Como,
Okay, I know the fugitive.
yeah, Como.
Como.
Hicks.
Wait a minute, hold on. Como. Yeah, because he was crossed out.
They said that he was booked in error. He's wanted for Henry County, actually.
So he can go back.
Yes.
Okay.
Como.
And we have Hicks.
I think
He
you
was
do
crossed
want
out. Oh, that was a UJR.
Yes, I have the UJR here.
Right, so he can go back. He's
Yeah.
gonna be released.
Oh.
Hicks. Oh, you going home, bro?
I ain't do nothing. I know I can do nothing.
What's the next one?
What was that, the last female?
Yeah, we just have 2 fugitives.
The two.
Oh, this is 2 fugitive female. I mean, the 2 fugitives, 1 male, 1
No
female.
problem.
Who was the female?
Davis.
Okay, I got Adriana Davis as a fugitive. Who's the other fugitive? What's the other name of the fugitive?
McClinton. Darius McClinton, the male.
Transport part.
I don't think I have that one either.
Was two.
Only saw one.
So you go to the elevator, down there, you go to the door entrance, and then you.
Yeah, lastly, I ain't never been in the jail.
Hold on, let me look for the fugitive. It's not in. What was the last name on that fugitive again?
McClinton.
McClinton?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I see his criminal history.
But classification said they sent it this morning at 5:30. They both together.
They are both together.
Mhm.
You say this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Take forward explanation. I ain't even going to buy them. I talked to him, I mean, my OG talked to my PO. And the PO said that Wisconsin was dismissing it.
Okay, well, I don't see it. You actually looking at it?
No, I'm trying to find it now. I see where they sent the committals. I think
Yeah, I'm looking at the fugitive warrant. There is not with that one.
But they mix it. Sign the extradition and shit like that. So I really don't know if they're gonna extradite him or Wisconsin. I'm just wait 30 days to see. Yeah. She don't ask, but
Yeah, I
Clerk
don't have.
Brunner, can you please resend those? I'm looking and I can't see them either.
No, they're not in our paperwork. And that was for today, unless it was from yesterday. Let's see. Let me check yesterday paperwork.
y'all supposed to be up right now. About to. So y'all land through your baby for What's the word? What the word?
Not in yesterday's. And it's not in Tuesdays. So I don't have his fugitive paperwork. Let me go ahead and do Adriana Davis. And so I don't know if
Judge, what's the other person's name? Darius McClendon.
McClinton. Clinton, yes.
Okay, I see it. I'm finna send it.
Okay, thank you.
Did you want me to print it out or you want me to?
Just print it out for me real quick.
Okay,
In the bond order.
okay.
All right. Oh, I see where they just sent it. But these are just the it's nothing but the waivers. I see Garcia McClinton, but only thing it is waivers. It's no
Warrants.
no. Oh wait, hold on. And the other attachment is nothing but the waiver forms. There's there's no warrants or anything. So Deb, I'm gonna continue him till tomorrow. Or her, I'm sorry. Uh, Wait a minute. There is him. I don't have any. You said you have the warrants?
No, I just had the email that they sent this morning, which was the waivers.
That's the only one I have too. All righty. So if we can just get Ms. Davis and we'll have to continue the other case till tomorrow. I need the documentation.
Excuse me, Judge, he said he turned himself in, so it might not be any warrants.
Well, what was he be booked under? He got to have a warrant to be booked in. They would have had to create a warrant.
Parole or damage to property. Violation of parole.
Yeah, it's for violation of probation. I see here it is violation of probation, because it's on the waiver form. It's out of Wisconsin,
Yes, ma'am.
but I gotta have a warrant.
And my PO told me that Wisconsin dismissed it. So I don't know. I'm just waiting for 30 days or whatever. But I signed the waiver, so I don't know.
But I still gotta have something.
So even if I signed the waiver, it means nothing.
All right, so if you are waiving me having this extradition hearing and you're just requesting to be sent back, I'll make note of that and I will sign this waiver.
That's what you want?
All right, so I will get those signed. All right, and then if I could just get Ms. Davis.
Okay, so I'll come get you tomorrow. Yeah, all right, I'm just trying to. She with Miss Davis.
Oh,
Yeah.
Miss Davis.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I forgot we had first.
Wait.
All right, good. Yeah, hey, you love calling me fugitive. That's what they calling you, bro. You fugitive. Take as many sacks as you can. Nah, you come back tomorrow.
So what we do with these,
Appreciate it.
waivers?
No problem. Oh, no.
No, I'm gonna send them off. Yeah, it's I'm gonna send them off anyway. Oh, no, he's like, I'm just gonna put them over here. He come tomorrow. He'll-
Good, I wanted, I got it, I read that up.
All righty, Ms. Davis, this is what we call the extradition hearing. A fugitive warrant has been issued for your arrest. You do not have charges pending against you here in Clayton County. You have been brought before me today because you have charges pending in the state of Ohio. The charge is attempted trafficking, and I think it's possession of a criminal tool. In accordance with the laws of the state of Georgia, you are brought before the court for an explanation of these proceedings. You have the right to contest the legality of this warrant and all extradition proceedings, or you may waive your right to extradition proceeding and voluntarily be returned to the state requesting your detention, excuse me. Before you inform me of whether or not you wish to waive extradition, let me explain the following rights to you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one may be appointed if you qualify. If you desire to contest the legality of the extradition proceedings, then you must file or have filed on your behalf a writ of habeas corpus. You may be allowed a reasonable amount of time to file such a writ. You may file a writ of habeas corpus to contest the extradition, but it can only contest 4 things. Whether the extradition documents are in order on their face, whether you are charged with the crime in the demanding state, whether you are the person named in a fugitive warrant, and whether you are in fact a fugitive. You cannot contest the issue of guilt or innocence in this state. You are entitled to advice of counsel in deciding whether to contest or waive extradition if you so desire. If you waive extradition, the state of Ohio will have 30 days to come and get you. If you're not picked up in 30 days, you will be released. If you contest the extradition and the state is unable to extradite you in 30 days, you will be committed to the county for an additional 60 days while you await extradition. Do you wish to waive extradition and be returned to the requesting state, or do you wish to have a formal extradition proceeding?
I waive.
All righty. And are you making this decision freely and voluntarily?
Yeah.
All right. You'll just sign the waiver.
I already signed
And
it.
you already signed it?
You signed it?
Oh, okay. All righty. So I think that concludes our day.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.